On a cold, windy night in the English countryside, Grandpa walked slowly toward the stable. Inside, a beautiful foal named Freddie was born. Grandpa smiled with pride. "Welcome, Freddie," he whispered. At that same moment, baby Shahu was born. Two new lives shared the night. Years passed. Little Shahu and Freddie became the best of friends, playing together under the warm countryside sun. Soon, little Zara joined their games. Freddie was gentle, always letting Zara touch his nose and play. But one day, a terrifying call came. Julia was told Zara had been kidnapped. The family rushed to the police in a panic. It was only a prank. Zara and Chaplin laughed, but Grandpa spoke seriously. Dangerous jokes can cost lives. Then, history repeated itself. Another call, another claim. But this time, Zara was truly missing. The prank had become a reality. While the police searched, Freddie was already moving. He galloped through the dark forest trails, guided by loyalty. He found them. Zara was tied up, crying for help. Freddie watched from the bushes, spotting Zara's school bag. Freddie grabbed the bag and raced to the police station, dropping it at the sergeant's feet. "Follow that horse!" Gray shouted. Freddie led them straight to the hideout. The police surrounded the camp, and the criminals were finally captured. Zara was safe. "You saved her, Freddie," Shahu cried. Freddie was no longer just a horse. He was a true hero. The loyal horse carried his friends into the golden horizon, a bond of love and bravery that would never be broken.